In today's video, changes I've made to further improve my physique. Let's go. What's good YouTube? Welcome back to channel Jacob Alava. Kung bago kayo dito, this channel is all about fitness, health, lifestyle, and self-development. So today's video, share ko sa inyo yung mga binago ko that have helped me progress and help me improve my physique even more. Kasi guys, medyo matagal na rin ako nagbubuhat. Medyo maayos nung 2016 pero further umayos up until now. So the first tip, I've mentioned this before sa previous videos ko, so I won't dwell on it too long, but it's having a long-term mindset. I'm not saying yung tipo mag 3-month cut ka, 4-month cut ka, but having a plan for myself in the next 3 to 5 years. Dati kasi goal ko lang was to be lean and maintain that, but now I want to further improve my physique. I want to build some more muscle mass and look better the next time I get to a low body fat percentage. Now, this tip may not apply to all of you, pero if you're starting out and wala ka masyadong muscle mass, this can help. Before, the way I used to think was, oh, may beach trip ako in the next month or the next month, kailangan lean ako all the time. So, always naka-deficit or maintenance lang. Now, walang masama doon. If that's your goal, I completely respect that. But in a way, that held me back. Kasi if you want to improve your physique, you want to look better, you want to have more muscle mass, you have to commit to a bulk and you have to be in a calorie surplus. Now, kasama dito yung pag-gain ng konting body fat, but that is completely normal. Lalo na kung natural ka. It's a long process. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Think of it as investing. Investing in your future self. The second thing that I did that further improved my progress, constantly learning. Kahit sabihin kong 2016 pa ako nagbubuhat, marami na akong na-transform na clients, hindi nagtatapos yun dun eh. You have to be consistently learning. Maraming ways to further improve your knowledge. One is by getting a coach. Right now with my bodybuilding goals, I am still being coached by Grant Teng. Marami akong natutunan sa kanya, lalo na sa training and sa proper technique. Kahit sabihin ko matagal na ako nagbubuhat, there will always be more ways to improve and to further advance your knowledge. So getting a coach will help you. Kung complete beginner ka, it's nice to get a coach who knows about calories, macronutrients, and also the basics of training. Kasi kung may questions ka, your coach should be able to answer your questions for you to be more knowledgeable. Nakikinig din ako ng mga podcasts and I stay updated with the new research. Kasi guys, lahat naman ng tinuturo ko sa inyo sa videos, this is evidence-based. So once may natutunan akong bago, I try it out and I test it out. For example, if it's a new exercise, I try to learn as if beginner ako. So guys, never stop learning. Third thing na binago ko, binawasan ko yung overall exercise selection ko and I stuck with the ones that worked and in-improve ko yung technique. Dati kasi ang dami kong exercises sa rotation ko and now I stick with the ones that I feel the most. Pero syempre, it takes some experimentation to start. But once you found certain exercises that you enjoy, stick with that and try nyo i-improve yung technique nyo. Kahit sabihin mo sobrang tagal mo nang ginagawa tong exercise na to, there are multiple ways to enhance or improve the technique. Adding tempo, kahit mas mabagal ng konti yung movement, having pauses, hindi puro concentric lang yung movement, na mabilisan lang yung movement. Which leads me to number 4, less weight for better technique. Again, technique na naman yung pinag-uusapan natin. Walang point bigatan yung exercise kung hindi pa maayos yung technique mo. Kasi this is how you get injured, and when you improve your technique, you can maximize each rep. For example, when I used to train my shoulders, kayang-kaya kong magbuhat ng mabigat. Pero hindi ganun kaganda yung reps. So I've found more success and mas sulit yung reps nung inayos ko yung technique ko. I want you guys to prioritize getting the feel for the movement before even loading it. So leave your ego out the door and try and focusing more on improving your technique. If you try to do your reps slower with eccentrics, tempo, pauses, and occasionally full range of motion, mas masusulit nyo talaga yung reps. Instead of just doing pure concentric na half reps pero mabigat. Number 5 is tracking calories and macronutrients kahit naka-bulk ako or pag off-season. Dati kasi guys, never ako nagtatrack pag hindi ako nagda-diet. Nagtatrack lang ako pag nagda-diet. Hindi mo naman necessarily kailangan gawin to. Pero nakita ko talaga yung major changes sa katawan ko nung ginawa ko to. Hindi mo pala na-hit yung protein mo, undercals ka pala, or sobrang taas ng fat mo. You're missing out on a lot of progress by not tracking. Now, hindi siya para sa lahat ng tao. Pero if you want to take it a step further and you want to improve, mag-track kayo kahit di kayo nagda-diet down. Number 6, taking my recovery seriously. Before, lagi ako nagpupuyat, di ko iniisip yung tagal ng tulog ko. And now na mas conscious and mas strict ako with my sleeping schedule, mas napansin ko talaga yung pag-speed up ng pag-build ko and sobrang nag-improve nung recovery ko. Hindi lang naman sa tulog to, even with rest days. Syempre pag gigil ka mag-gym, iba sa inyo dyan, hindi na nagre-rest day. Kailangan nyo seryosohin yung rest days nyo na talagang magpahinga kayo. Kasi we don't just build sa gym and when we eat, our bodies need time to recover. So take your recovery seriously. Number 7, this was a game changer. Naging strict din ako sa workout schedule ko. So as much as possible, I try to get my workout done sa morning para I can already win the day. I usually just have a light breakfast or a light meal, then diretso na akong gym. Sa mornings kasi ako pinaka-energized. Tapos pag tapos na yung workout, I have the entire half of the morning up until afternoon to nighttime to focus on my other goals. Baka iba sa inyo may mga trabaho or busy sa umaga, but try to be strict with your workout schedule and really stick with that. If maging part ng schedule nyo to at a certain select time, mas magiging consistent kayo. So those are just some of the things that have helped me progress kahit matagal na ako nag-gym, and sinishare ko lang sa inyo para ma-inspire kayo, para ma-motivate kayo. Sana marami kayong natutunan, and I'll see you guys in the next video.